Hi, I am Miao. Today I am in Liangzhu Nuan Village in Hangzhou, getting ready for a Handpan experience workshop. This is my first time here, and it feels like a cultural and creative park converted from an old village. The China Academy of Art is nearby, along with some cultural and creative industry parks. It seems less commercialized here. I've barely seen any shops, mostly bookstores and various music studios. Looks like all these people are here for today. S event. The weather is great today. It is overcast and drizzling. Poor planning. I didn't dress warmly enough, and it is pretty cold. Oh, I see a bakery. But it does indeed seem to be open. Let's go check out what is over there. Wow, it looks like a rice paddy field. It seems this village has preserved a lot of its farmland. The rice over there looks like it has already been harvested. Is that right? If any of you know about farming, please let me know in the comments. I haven't seen such a large rice field in a long time. Even though the weather is just okay, this lush green scenery instantly brightened my mood. So this is the venue for today's Handpan event. It feels like a converted old farmhouse. Let's head inside. Lots of baskets are hanging on the earthen walls. I guess you could call this a semi-outdoor space. The drizzle is drifting in, so I hope the rain doesn't get any heavier. There is a large piece of calligraphy up front that reads, "Making friends through handpans." It feels like this is a regular venue for these kinds of events. This is my first time seeing a handpan in person. It really does look a bit like a UFO. Light fixtures made from wood slices hang from the ceiling. The whole vibe of the space really matches the handpan. The event is starting, and I got permission from the organizers to film. In the first session, the instructor gave a brief introduction to the handpan and also performed a piece for us as a demonstration. It is a percussion instrument invented in 2000 by Felix Rohner and Sabine Scheirer in Bern, Switzerland. Next, the instructor showed us how to strike the instrument. It is actually a bit tricky to get a pleasant sound out of it. Oof. My hands are actually pretty sore from hitting it. But eventually, we managed to get the right sound. I noticed not all the handpans here are the same. I swapped with the person next to me, and the feel and timbre were different. So cool. The first introductory class is over. Before the second class began, an instructor from the village who plays the shun came to introduce the instrument to us. This instrument can be made from different materials, like pottery, porcelain, or even stone. I also tried playing it, but it is really not easy to make a sound. It is a bit like the shakuhachi flute. It requires patience and a good amount of lung capacity. A big thank you to the instructor for that introduction. The second handpan class has started. This time, we're relearning a few combinations of notes and rhythms. I am trying my best to coordinate my left and right hands, and also to remember the combinations the instructor just taught us. Afterwards, the instructor demonstrated how to use the combinations we just learned to improvise and play by feel. It seems the playing style for the handpan is quite improvisational. There usually isn't any fixed sheet music. After these 2 sessions, I feel that the handpan is an instrument that is perfect for playing just for yourself, for your own enjoyment. This kind of spontaneous, in the moment expression is so cool. However, there are very few eateries in the village, so finding a place for dinner was a bit of a challenge. Coming back after dinner, the place had been transformed into a live house setup. Turns out, today, S package also included an open jam session and 2 drinks. The ticket was 240 RMB. Different performers took the stage one by one, improvising on their instruments. There was a band with handpans and other instruments, and someone even performed an impromptu belly dance. So cool. This lady also performed a handpan solo earlier, which was amazing. Even though it got colder as the night went on, we were all caught up in the performer's passion. The atmosphere was incredible. Next up is a performance by a Dongxiao vertical bamboo flute artist. I thought it was extraordinary, so I've included the entire piece to share with you all. After that, there was a jam session with a shakuhachi and keyboard. While not every performance was flawless, the vibe was fantastic, and everyone had a great time. This artist is playing the Kora, a unique harp-like instrument from West Africa. And this was the final performance of the night. Such a cool performance. Due to noise concerns for the neighbors, the jam session had to wrap up. All right, that is all for tonight. Good night, and see you next time.